Hey guys, so I have a Jella's folding knife with me today. It's got a nice black finish to it with real wood on either side. Has a seatbelt cutter right here. Glass breaker pommel right here. And little belt clip. Has a spring assisted blade. Some nice edge to it. Like a black matte finish to it. Perfect little outdoor knife or travel companion. So everything's pretty sharp. It's got that spring assisted blade, so you can come in like that. Also the seatbelt cutter on the back, so just in case you're getting a wreck and you need to get out of your seatbelt, that thing can cut too, like that. So overall, the thing is very nice and sharp, good for outdoor use or for any of your little things you need it for.